Today we are in the center of Castiglione Messer Marino, a small village situated on the mountains of Abruzzo region. It's a very lively village with all kinds of basic facilities. And this is a stone house, typical stone house. This is the main entrance. And the house here also avails of another entrance. This is a large room with vaulted ceilings, used as a second kitchen. With a storage room with exposed stone. And proceeding this way, we find what used to be a small bathroom. And here it is internally connected to the main entrance. As we enter, we find a long corridor with a staircase. Here on the left, we find a dining room. With a window. And here we have the kitchen. With a fireplace. Proceeding this way, we find a large living room with a long balcony and beautiful vintage tiles. And a working fireplace. And this is the balcony overlooking the historic center. Proceeding this way, we have a full bathroom with bathtub. And its own balcony. And now we can go to the second floor. We find a long corridor connecting all the rooms, and on the left we find the first bedroom. A single bedroom with vaulted ceilings and a balcony with a nice view. Proceeding along the corridor, we find a double bedroom. Another bedroom with vaulted ceilings and a window with a nice view. And here we find the last double bedroom with 2 windows. With a beautiful mountain view. And also what used to be an ensuite toilet. With a water tank also. The house has electricity and water connected. Gas is not connected at the moment and is in need of internal renovation and maintenance work.